Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial for installing FALDetector on Windows. This might be a bit late for the paper itself, but this is being released with my main video over on my main channel. So this is for the people that want to know how to install this AI on a Windows computer. So today what we have to do is to open your Anaconda prompt. And if you don't have an Anaconda prompt, you can go download it at anaconda.com, and then you can get started, download Anaconda installers, and then we choose the 64-bit graphic installer and do everything on default. And yeah, after you install that, you can just run the Anaconda prompt like this, and then you'll see that it works similarly like CMD. So what next we have to do is to find a directory that you want to install this repository at. So let's download the code first and find a place that you want to install it. Mine will be at my tutorial folder as usual, and I'll name a folder called FALDetector, and then you open that file and you can extract everything to the destination that you want to put it. So after we are done, we can see that the contents are inside, and the next thing, download the weights. So what we have to do is to go into weights and then open this with the text document. Choose another app. Notepad. Okay. That works too. Since we cannot run shell script on Windows, we just manually download these. It'll take you to Dropbox, and then you just have to press download here and press download here. I'm not gonna download it because I already have them. So after you download them from here, you just need to drag those two files to weights, and you have to be sure that it's called local.pth and then global.pth. And after that, you're done. You can close these two, right? And then we can now set up the environment for our AI to run in. So I'll put this note down in the description for you to copy and paste. So we can conda create -n python equals 3.6, and then type y. I already have my environment, so let me just FALD so I can restart everything. I'll just change to FALD for everything just in case for you guys. So now we need to activate an environment, and every time you want to use this AI, you just have to reactivate this environment called FALD. And now we need to go to our file path where we have did I close it? Oh, I'm such a genius. So after that, you go to where your FALDetector master is at, and you copy this file path by pressing here, and then you paste it. Oh wait, before you paste it, type cd space. We want to change the directory to that file path and press enter. And then if you're on a different disk, like me, I'm gonna go to G disk. You have to specifically type G, and then you'll see that you're at the right file path, which is referring to here. Well, now we have to do another thing, that you need to open the requirements.txt, and then you go to torch and torchvision, and you delete them, and then you save the file and you close them. And now we want to do pip install cmake in here. So let's do pip install cmake, enter, collecting, and then we pip install -r requirements.txt. Yeah, if your cmake does not work, go to my Discord and I can help you solve it. And next we want to conda install pytorch, torchvision, torchaudio, cudatoolkit 10.2-c, pytorch. And then press Y. And now we're done with setting up the environment. So now you can close the note, and actually let's leave it here. We're gonna pull out and paste the command here. So this command global classifier is the one that tells you the percentage of how likely the image in your examples folder is. So you can see that the input path is examples/modify.jpg, so it'll be referring to this. So let's test with our own image. How about that? So here I have an image of Leo. Let me check the file type. It's PNG, so we're gonna change this to leo.png, and then we can leave out the model path since it's already referring to the right thing. So you just copy the whole line and then paste it here, and you press enter. It's a pretty fast process, and then it will just tell you the probability being modified by Photoshop 60%, which is maybe true. I have no idea the origin of this image, so maybe that's true. So now you go to the output directory, and you can well, you don't necessarily have to delete this, but I prefer to delete them since every time you run this local detector, it will replace those images. And this is where the AI evaluates the input image, which is let's say the leo.png. Let's change the path here, and it gives us the warped version, and then it gives us the heat map, and basically for us to refer to, which is pretty cool. So the destination folder is set to out folder here. So you basically don't have to change anything except for the file name every time you run a new image. So you can just paste that command here. Wait, give me a sec. Wait. This process is pretty fast too, and now it's done. So you can see that the crop, input, heat map, and warped. Yeah, I'm warped. So basically, yeah, that's it. The faces are automatically aligned. So no matter what angle of the input image you have, it'll automatically align it, so the face will be in the middle. Yeah, so that's about it. If you have any questions, you can join my Discord, and if you want to support me, you can just give my main channel a sub or just watch my main video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.